Jobbie Nooner, one of the largest and best lake parties in the world. This right here is B&B, the B&B show. Hopefully you enjoy this video of the Jobbie Nooner.
Hey, look at this motherfucker!
Guys, break it up. Alright, talk about it tomorrow when you're sober. Because I'm not going to play music over you guys fighting. It's stupid. Whatever happened, it's all going to be okay. I promise. You want a twisted tea, bro? Hey, let's talk about it. Let's just relax. Doug, you're doing a great job, man. Guys, you're literally fighting over a giant green lily pad. It's silly. Just stop.
Hey, how do you ladies like Jobbie Nooner?
It's fun. Yeah, it's fun.
How many times have you been here?
Never. This is my first time.
First time. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Kind of dirty, but.
That's all good. Where you?
What channel you on?
Black Man Boating.
Nice.
Right? Hey, I don't have any video. You show your face. Show your face.
Let me see your bow. Let's see your bow. Take a shot.
I'm the cameraman, bro. I'm the cameraman.
What's up, man? Hey, we're at Jobbie Nooner. I'm Bobby with the Tiki Barge, my partner Jamie Graham with the River Queen. We're having a great time today. It's beautiful weather for the first time in years, so we're really taking advantage of that. And we're having a great day. That's it, man. Thank you for being here. Good time!
What's up, guys? Black man boating, you on TikTok. Smile, you're on TikTok. I don't think I can get up there. I got a Everybody smile, you're on TikTok. Llama? The llama.
Hey, bro, I love that hat, bro. Hey, there we go. What's up, brother? Rip the jack, look out. Hey.
Jared's finally showed up.
You gotta tell me about your experience at
Photos later, Jeff is here with the fucking fireball. It only took about 7 hours.
Tell me your name. What do you like about Jobbie Nooner, man? Tell me about it.
The women! Yes, sir! Hey, come say something.
I just want to know your experience at Jobbie Nooner, bro. What do you like about it, man?
First time lit.
It's fucking lit, man. Everyone's having a good fucking time. Good fucking time.
Black man boating.
We on Canada, man. Canada.
Canada, Windsor, Ontario. Black man boating. I'm gonna Google it tomorrow or next day.
I'm on all platforms.
Black man boating.
What's up, boss? Hey, man, how do you like Jobbie Nooner? How do you like Jobbie Nooner?
Love Jobbie Nooner.
Love it.
Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
Not jealous. Tell me. Oh, empty. Black man boating.
Hey,
Wow.
how do you like Jobbie Nooner? How do you like Jobbie Nooner?
Detroit Rock City. Lake St. Clair, Big City. Oh, don't get away. I drive a Cadillac from Detroit, Lake St. Clair, Big City.
Excuse me, how do you like Jobbie Nooner?
I love Jobbie Nooner.
Love Jobbie Nooner. Where you
Where
from?
I'm from Redford.
Where?
Redford?
Redford, nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago, but I live in
Oh, I just went to Chicago for a wedding.
Yes. How do you
You
like
said
the
it.
city?
I love that city.
Beautiful city. How you like Jobbie Nooner so far?
I love it.
Love it.
Having a great time.
Are you from Michigan?
You're in the right shirt.
I love Michigan.
We're
We're from Chicago. Jobbie Nooner! Hey, how do you like Jobbie Nooner, brother?
It's the best.
The best. Great time, right?
Shout out.
Great time, great time. Great time. What's up? Great time, y'all.
We got Pistol Pete rocking the bay. Pistol, how you doing? You alright? Jobbie 2022.
How you doing? How y'all like Jobbie Nooner?
It's the best time!
Oh, you're on TikTok, by the way. Hey, TikTok. TikTok. Detroit Rock City. Yeah, brother. Oh, shit.
Jobbie Nooner, man. How you like it?
Not too bad, man. All right, yeah. Fuck yeah.
Hello.
Beautiful lady.
Black Man Boating.
Black man voted, bro.
Hey, Black Man Bodie, come on, bro. Let's go. Hello. Look at this beautiful lady. Wow, beautiful. Oh my God. Come on, let's see some titties. Astronomical. Astronomical, guys. Everybody say astronomical.
He does that professionally.
That was a great ass. Love that ass. Oh my God, the red. I am addicted to red ass. Well, is this a pussy or not? It's a pity.
Summer 2022. Hey!
All right, guys. We're having a good time.
Having a good time? Oh, man.
Hold on a second. Drop it.
Que el tiempo se acaba y para atrás no verá.
We got a special birthday. Happy birthday, brother! Where my party people at? To the party go! Ha!
low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.